Chevelle to take a look at, just in a unique, especially in classics. A little resto mod look to this one. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, 350 high output crate engine, 330 horsepower one. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. As far as the power brakes, we have four-wheel disc at each corner. Let's go ahead and take a look at that blacked out grille, matching bumper, and of course the custom paint, tricolor. As you can see, the rear view mirrors, that blacked out bumper and grille, highlighting the black highlights on the hood and around kind of that, I would call it a copper, I guess, if you will. Cool looking color combination. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, inside and out, top to bottom. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us at 507-386-1726, riding on Rev wheels, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the car is straight. And paint looks good. It's just done within the last year. It's done in 2021, as well as the interior, FYI. Some of the other new components on this car would be the power steering pump. It's got a 670 Holley carburetor underneath the hood. 3-core aluminum radiator. Dual shroud fan. 2 electric fans in there then. Front and rear glass with the weather stripping, also recently done. Take a look from the rear to the front, come around to the back. You can see how the rear blacked out bumper matching the front, as well as the door handles and that rear view side mirror. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, actually running Flowmasters on this one. Also has a new alternator, high torque starter. Approximately 500 miles on that 350 that's underneath the hood. And again, that is a crate, 350, 330 horse. Go ahead and take a peek up and down the driver's side here. Take a look at how straight that is also. Once again, still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car. You can check out the engine bay, trunk area. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Go ahead and check out the interior. So we have a bench seat, black vinyl interior. Again, AC blows cold. Did have the radio working also. Didn't want to crank it too loud though. The rear speakers did crackle just a tad, FYI. Carpeting, as you can see, nice shape. Headliner also in good shape, and you can see these items all in the still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures online of this car. Starts easily. FYI, wipers did also work. Vintage air controls, as you can see. Let this warm up just a tad. And as you can see, radio powers up. Was just a little tough getting reception for me. A few aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Temp, volts, oil pressure. Alright, I think we got her warmed up. Check out the dash. Get a look at that. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. The door closes nicely. Mild cam to it. Sounds good through those Flowmasters. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I got a couple hood pins to get out and get this hood released, and we'll pop it up. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice tidy engine bay here. As you can see, also got headers. Tubular control arms up front. And again, this is a 350 crate engine, approximately 500 miles on it, 330 horse variety. There's that dual fan shroud, aluminum radiator. Remember Holly carb, what was it, 670 HEI ignition. Vintage AC, looks like all the AC lines, tubing, all new. Dressed up nicely, looking good, and then a little cowl induction there also, by the way, on the hood. There you go. You want a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop, a little resto mod look going to it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.